It's a Monday morning, quiet. We found a walkway along the water that I believe heads down to the sea. We were here 3 years ago, and I remember seeing some features. One of them was a stream that went down to the sea. So in a park-like setting, they still put cafes and tea stalls. Mostly you see the men sitting, drinking tea and smoking and talking. A little different setting when the women are there. But we've experienced everywhere. It's the old people that have the time to sit. It's the old people that have the time to sit and talk. Yeah, Olga has seen ducks, so the pace has quickened. It's a simple channel, but very pleasant for a neighborhood. We've already had mulberries and a banana this morning. They serve French fries at breakfast. What can I say? Oh, baby ducks.
Some are much bigger than others.
How many? They're not too afraid of the people, huh?
Yeah, they're little 9. It's okay. We love them.
2 batches.
Now, I don't know that's a duck though. Look at that. Grown up. What is that?
A rooster duck?
Yeah, like that. I have no idea what this is.
Okay.
The babies are ducks and this is a different. I think it's a single chicken. This one duck, not the mama. No mama.
Well, our shortcut took us through the mall. I remembered this center. I love Antalya. And there's the sea, and the river comes in down just a little ways down. Okay.
Good. Careful now.
3. There's Olga. Yep.